Good evening everybody. Yeah, so this is the final day here in Diani. I'm in Ukunda market and I'm walking towards the stage. I'm gonna be using public transport and we are heading to Mombasa. So I just released the other video that I met Dave Money and his wife yesterday night while I was doing a evening vlog for nightlife here in Diani. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it. So make sure to subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much for all the people who have been watching, commenting, liking and sharing my videos. I appreciate it so much. Okay, so this is what is going to be happening. So I just want to go and show you the real streets of here in Ukunda, and then we're going to travel. This is just traveling from here in Diani all the way to Mombasa. So this is how Ukunda market looks like in the evening. It's around 5 in the evening. So it's not that busy because it's on a Sunday. I'm traveling on a Sunday, so it's been 3 days here in Diani. I've enjoyed it. Staying at Wabab Hotel Resort, has been the best moments of my life. Thank you and shout out to Boom Crusaders for making this possible. So one thing you realize with the houses, buildings here, they have different colors, because when you look at the houses in Mombasa, they have like just two colors, that is blue and white. I think it's something with the coast, so with the different cities that I've ever traveled to, but the coast is always blue and white. But here in Ukunda Diani is just mix of colors, just like Nairobi, yeah. So I just want to show you this. Hope you guys are liking the video. If you are liking the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, like the video, comment and subscribe. All right, and let's continue walking. I'm getting tired, but we're almost there. We're gonna reach at the stage and then take a public transport. It's gonna be costing around $1 from what I've researched from people I was staying with. It is $1 to Mombasa, and I'm gonna be staying in a place that I'm gonna reveal if you continue subscribing. So subscribe on this video if you want to know my next stop in Mombasa. So let's go.
Nzioka music.
Hello. So we are finally here at Likoni. So I just arrived. I decided to use a tuk-tuk. I almost said tuk-tuk. I used a tuk-tuk, and we're gonna be going to cross the ferry. Actually, I'm not crossing because I'm staying on this other side. But anyway, maybe we'll find some food to eat. Alright? Alright guys, so let me see you on the next one, or when we find food at night. So guys, this is what we call Mombasa. Welcome to Mombasa. It's in the evening around 7, almost getting dark, you know. But anyway, my excitement is I'm now in Mombasa. We'll start vlogging, making videos. So tell me, what kind of video do you want to see from Mombasa and when? So from down there, that's where you can see there's the ferry. People are coming out, others are going in.